Hey, what's going on, guys? Khordmaster here, and in today's video I want to show you guys this new update that came out for Koala Sampler. The biggest thing for me is that this latest update now has Bluetooth support, so we're going to go ahead and connect this Noise Machine, which is an amazing MIDI controller that's handheld, and we're going to play around with this a little bit and connect this to Koala Sampler. It also has some UI animations. AUV3 remembers song name now, fixed export all sequences so it doesn't miss the first beat. You can now open M4A files even if they have MP3 extensions, thanks YouTube. Nice. Subtle grid lines and some of the performance effects. Fix crash in AUM when using resample loop. Fix crash when using with Loopy Pro. Got rid of click and tone control, and QWERTY keyboard map now allows selecting sequences, bar length, and double up. Oh, that's pretty cool. QWERTY keyboard map now allows selecting sequences, bar length, and double up. That's actually really dope. Perhaps we'll try that out in a second too. Although we're going to focus on the Bluetooth first. So that's the big thing for me here, right? Is now we have Bluetooth capabilities to connect to a Bluetooth device. So let's go ahead and start with that. So you can go to settings and you can go to MIDI and you can go to connect, and I'm going to turn on this, and that launched there on the bottom. You can see I'm going to hit that. Now it's connected, and we're going to go done. Now let's see if this maps automatically or if we're going to want to map it. I think that I'm going to want to map this myself. So let's go up here and let's go to settings and let's go to map MIDI. And this has 3 rows on it and 4 columns. So I think what I probably would want to do, like what kind of makes sense to me, I'm just thinking 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Yeah, I'm thinking like this, like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and then maybe this top row 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we have that. Now we go to B. Now in order to change to a different section on here, you slide, light goes off, light goes on. That little bottom right channel has to go from off to on to let you know that you're in the next section, and we're going to do the same exact thing. The first few are all the same, but just be aware that the very last button when you're on the last section is not actually MIDI mappable. It is going to deactivate the device. So it's just a way to do that so you don't have to turn the power off. I think, I may reach out to the developers. I think that you should be able to not have it do that, because I would probably rather just turn the device off if I ever needed to disconnect, so that I can use that so that it's all, you know, uniform. But that's just me. All right, so now we can hit stop mapping. So now if we go to A and we slide this over, we should have that set, right? So now, why am I pressing this if the demo is a Bluetooth? All right, so Bluetooth works amazing. Like, one of the things that I love about this controller is the fact that, okay, it's not velocity sensitive, but that's okay. This is not supposed to be, in my opinion, velocity sensitive. This is supposed to be like, for me, a one-handed type of a situation. Like, I don't see myself using this and being like, oh, you know, finger drumming or whatever. That's not what this is for. This is for me, like, I like standing up when I'm doing music, if I'm vibing to music. So I can see myself, you know, having some chops that I laid out here in Koala Sampler, and then just standing up and you know, I can even use two hands or one, but maybe just standing up and just be like having control of like starting it effortlessly is something about this that I just really love. I think the controller is dope. I think the app is dope. Incredibly dope. I used the word dope a lot just now, but yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. A couple other things that we can quickly look at. Like I said, we're not going to go over every new feature in the update, but I just wanted to point out that on a few of these, I think on Cutter, there's now like, you can't really see them too well. There's like grid lines so that you know where you are at on some of these performances so that you can make sure that it's doing exactly what you want it to do, that type of thing. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Appreciate you guys checking out the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.